Your T-Mobile gateway has two names: the device name, used for administrative purposes, and the SSID, which is your Wi-Fi network name that devices see. Changing the SSID allows you to personalize your network and enhance security by using a unique, non-default name. To rename your SSID, first connect to your gateway either via Wi-Fi or using an Ethernet cable. Then open a web browser and navigate to 192.168.12.1. For older gateway models, use 192.168.1.1 instead. Log in using your gateway credentials, which are typically admin, or the password printed on the sticker underneath the device. Once logged in, navigate to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Enter your new SSID name, such as MyHomeNet, and save the changes. For enhanced security, choose a unique SSID that's not the default name. Also enable WPA3 encryption if it's available in your gateway's security settings. After saving the changes, your connected devices will need to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network using the new SSID name. The device name identifies your gateway within your network settings. It's not broadcast like the SSID, but it helps in identifying your gateway in network lists or within the T-Mobile app for remote management. To change this, access the gateway's web interface at 192.168.12.1 using your browser. Log in with your admin credentials. Then navigate to Settings, System, Device Information. Here, you can edit the device name to something more descriptive or personalized. Saving the changes might prompt a reboot of the gateway, which will apply the new device name. Always ensure your firmware is up to date for the best performance and security before making these changes. Recent updates allow SSID changes via the T-Mobile app in addition to the web interface.